Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo lahat. Nais kong batiin ang ating mga distinguished guests muna ngayong hapon na to. Siyempre, unang-una, represented by their Vice President, Philip D. of Metrobank Foundation. Nag-represent siya for President Aniceto Sobrepeña. And of course, the Head Grants and Partnership Unit, Maribik Mariano. Isang ba si Maribik? Ayun, ba't ka nasa likod? Program Officer for DRM Grants and Partnership Unit, kay Joshua Iso, siyempre, MC pa. Malaki siguro bayad ngayon dito. No, at siyempre, ating Corporate Communications Officer, si Hyacinth Yuri. Nandito ba siya ngayon? Ayun, obvious naman, diba? At mula naman sa MDRMO office, kaya lang wala siya ngayon dito, mabuting kaibigan ko, si Director Arnel Angeles. At syempre from the Bureau of Fire Protection, Manila District Fire Marshal, Aristotle Banyaga, represented also by Sir Philip, no? Sir Jacinto. Sir Jacinto. At ayun, SFO, Joel Jacinto. Tama ba? Ayun. So, from the Association of Volunteers, Fire Chiefs and Fighters of the Philippines, Sir Arvin C. Magandang hapon. Maraming salamat. Nandito kayo. Sir Honor also, nandito kayo ngayon. At syempre, ang ating partner mula sa Radio Mindanao Network, Patrick Aurelio. Magandang hapon din sa inyo. Of course, aking favorite na Monsignor. No, Monsignor Roberto Espinilla. Ito, matagal din naging taga sa parish priest ng San Andres dito sa Sagrada Familia, sa may Onyx, sa may Sagrada, dito sa may Estrada, sa Onyx mismo. So, mula sa Rotary Club, syempre, batiin ko na rin. Meron tayo partner also of San Andres, dahil yung water station, they donated it from Rotary Club of Lahaina, President Rick Nava and spouse. And of course, for Rotary Club of Paco, syempre, partners din natin lahat to. Nandiyan si past President Attorney Ben Cordova, past President Roland Rati Guzman, which happens to be also the directors of San Andres. So, yun, siguro napati ko na lahat. At batiin ko na rin, syempre, no, sa lahat ng mga miyembro dito ng San Andres Manila Fire and Volunteers Association, sa pangunguna ng aming chairman. Sayang wala siya ngayon, pero syempre players na maon yung kapatid, no? Charles Chua. Of course, our fire chief, no? Chief Abed Agona. At sa lahat ng past fire chiefs na nandito ngayon. At syempre, thank you also to Director Mike Reyes. Hindi si Ramil, si Judith. No? At asan si dating FC natin, hindi ko nakikita. Ayun, nasa likod. No, si Bruce. No, si Bruce. At syempre, nandiyan pa si Jim. Diba? Kompleto lahat. Anyway, today is a very remarkable day for the San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteers Association Inc. as we formally receive a fire tanker from Metrobank Foundation. Ito ang isa sa pinaka-inaasam ng bawat miyembro ng aming brigada. It is now a dream come true. No, salamat Metrobank Foundation. Pakpan natin Metrobank. Our fire brigade was incorporated in 1997 using a borrowed and rented fire engine from another former volunteer fire brigade, which was in service for almost 7 years. Pag nakita niyo yung unang fire truck namin, matutuwa kayo. Kasi antik na antik talaga ang itsura. No? Talagang mukhang mga 1930s pa yata yun, 1950s na fire truck. So ganun, napagtsagaan ng San Andres. But laban-laban lang, no? Doon mo makikita gano'n ka-dedicated ng San Andres volunteers. So I witnessed how dedicated the fire volunteers were. So I saw their passion and love for what they do for the community. Kahit pagod mula sa kanilang hanap buhay, hindi sila nagdadalawang isip mag-responde kapag may sunog o sakuna. Kaya naman, di rin ako nagdalawang isip mag-alay ng oras at resources para sa brigada. Alam nyo, hindi lang naman sunog, no, ang aming rescue, kundi pati pag may water, pag may shortage, water shortage, o nawala ng tubig sa isang lugar, nakakatulong tayo. Especially now, may fire tanker tayo, sobrang laking tulong yan. Dito kasi madalas walang tubig. Ito, padating na naman ang summer, I'm sure it will be very useful. No, marami tayong matutulungan na ating kababayan. So, eventually, we were granted a donation from the Sea Foundation for a fire tanker, and later we acquired a fire pumper, but sold both units after several years in service. Noong 2015, we were granted a donation for a fire engine, this time from Metrobank GT Foundation, which was in service for almost 8 years. So, i-fast forward na natin sa 2024, we were again granted another donation for this new fire tanker. And maraming salamat talaga sa Metrobank Foundation Inc. And that is because of their trust and support to our fire brigade's mission of volunteer work and the service we provide to the community. To Metrobank Foundation Inc., maraming salamat muli. Huwag kayong magsasawang tumulong sa aming brigada. Pangako namin ay pagpapatuloy ang aming misyon na makatulong sa mga nangangailangan ng aming serbisyo. Rest assured that your donation to our brigade will go a long way. And if I were to say a special message to our fire tanker, San Andres tanker tawag natin, di ba? Ito yung masasabi ko, katulad ng slogan ng Metrobank, you're in good hands. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Councilor Mon.
Thank you very much for the kind introduction, Josh. Una po, please allow me to magbigay galang at pagbigay pugay sa mga kasama po natin ngayong hapon sa napakagandang event na ito. Una po, syempre, ang ating kinatawan mula sa Bureau of Fire Protection, Manila District, Senior Officer Joel Asinto. Good afternoon po, sir. Salamat po sa inyong presensya ngayong hapon. The Association of Volunteer Fire Chiefs and Firefighters sa buong Pilipinas po, President Mr. Arvin C. Thank you, sir, for also gracing us with your presence this afternoon. San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteers Association President and Councilor po ng 5th District of Manila, the Honorable Raimundo Yupanqui. Good afternoon po, sir. So glad we had the chance to meet today. San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteer Association Director John Michael Reyes. Hello, sir. Of course, Monsignor Roberto Espinilla, the one who led our opening prayer earlier in addressing. The brave firefighting and rescue volunteers of San Andres, Manila. Mukhang pati po yung staff namin ay marirecruit na ninyo. Alam ko nagsisimula sa hosting ang recruitment at siya na ang nag-host ngayon sa mukhang dire-diretso na hanggang sa volunteer firefighting. Ang iba pa pong mga uwihin ngayong umaga, ngayong hapon. Ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. On behalf of our chairman, Mr. Arthur T. and the T family, and of course our president also, Mr. Chito Sabriqueña, kilalang-kilala po ninyo. It is my honor to welcome you all to this significant occasion. Today, we are not just celebrating the turnover of a vital firefighting vehicle, but reaffirming the strong and continuing partnership between the Metrobank Foundation and the San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteers Association Incorporated in strengthening our community's safety, preparedness, and resilience. Bago ho magsimula yung formal program, magkatabi ho kami ni Sir Arvin tsaka ni Councilor Yupanco at pinag-uusapan nga namin sa dami ng mga challenges na kinakaharap natin bilang mga pamayanan at bilang bansa, wala tayong magagawa kung hindi tayo marunong makipag-partner sa isa't isa. And that is really the power of partnerships. It allows us to magnify and expand the impact of our work. First, let me acknowledge and extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Manila Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office as well as to the Manila Fire Department and our other partners in the firefighting community. Your presence today is a testament to our collaboration and shared commitment to protect communities. At the foundation, we believe that firefighting is more than responding to emergencies. It is about saving lives and preserving hope. The 65 dedicated firefighters and medics of the San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteer Association have shown courage and selflessness. And this fire tanker that we are turning over today is a testament to our gratitude. Ito po ay aming pagpapasalamat dahil po sa ginagawa ninyo day in and day out sa pag-responde kapag may mga emergency at may mga fire incidents. So the fire tanker that we are turning over today is a testament to our gratitude for their service and a symbol of our trust in their ability to protect the community even with greater efficiency and safety. The fire tanker from Metrobank Foundation is an 8,000-liter stainless steel water tank with upgraded firefighting capabilities. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating 8,000-liter steel water tank with upgraded firefighting capabilities. This embodies our ongoing efforts to equip and empower the San Andres' bravest firefighters. The fire truck represents a lifeline for the people of San Andres, Manila, and even the greater Metro Manila community. Ang balita ko nga ho, bago pa ang ating formal turnover, dinilinis pa lang yung fire truck ay kinailangan na rumispondi agad dahil sa pangangailangan. With its enhanced capacity, our firefighters can respond to fires more efficiently and provide crucial support during water shortages and other emergencies. This turnover ceremony reminds us of the journey that got us here. Back in 2016, Metrobank Foundation donated the Metro Engine fire truck, which tirelessly have served the community by responding to countless fires, rescue operations, and even nung naging eruption ng Taal volcano. Today, we honor that legacy by continuing to invest in disaster preparedness and community safety. And we are grateful more than ever for the continued support and partnership that we have with the San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteer Association, which enables us to serve more communities. Alam nyo ho na ang tagline ng Metrobank ay, "You are in good hands." Parang bagay na bagay din sa firefighters yung tagline na, "You are in good hands." None of this would have been possible without the collective effort and support of our partners, to the enhancement of our grant framework to now include support even for disaster preparedness. This donation reinforces our shared mission to build a stronger and safer community. It reflects not only the enhanced capabilities of our partners like the San Andres Manila Fire and Rescue Volunteer Association, but also the spirit of volunteerism, service, and resilience that defines our partnership. You can count on the Metrobank Foundation to remain as a committed supporter of strengthening emergency services. And together, let us nurture a community that values service, preparedness, and hope, even in the face of adversity. Kasanggaan niyo po kami sa mas ligtas na kinabukasan. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon.